the Taj Bengal, the next destination for us, me, Ma and Mishka. We are staying at TAJ Bengal Kolkata and our room number is 103. So it's a quick look out, I must say, a quick sneak peek, our room tour for us. So have a look on that. Mishka is helping me out, so that's the suite which we have got incorporated us. So now this is the dining and drawing area. These are the, I would say, partition which has been done. And that's the drawing area. Hi Bunny! That's Mishku. Hi Mishku! Hi! So herein we are going inside. A very nice, cozy, comfort place. Beautiful. And then that's the area for your luggage. You have a closet here as well. And there's your bar. And this is our suite room for coming couple of days. A lovely place to actually stay. Comfort के साथ बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है look and feel रहना. And that's Baba out there with our छोटे लड्डू गोपाल जी. And when Taj is there, it has to be flowers all around. We got the first floor. So this is, though you can't see it from here, we got a pool area from that side. A beautiful stay, I must say, and Taj is always known for their special ambiance, their ethos, and that dignity, that kind of classified version. So this is what they have actually offered us. So thank you so much, Ornavda and Madhurima, for upgrading us to the suite and having us with you. Me and Mishka and Ma, we are really, really thankful. So looking forward for more ventures, more place, more things to do, and आने वाले कुछ दिनों के लिए तो यही पढ़ाव है. And I'm very happy to be in Kolkata at TAJ Bengal because every bong loves to come over to this place because this place has some kind of attraction. The ethos is being captured here. The Kolkata-ness is there, the Taj-ness is there. Ciao! Bye-bye.